Good morning, little bird. What I've done is I have mixed up dog food and water, and I'm letting it get soft. And I was feeding him with the bamboo skewer, and then we dropped a piece, and then he started just picking on it. So I figure probably, see, right here. See? See? You want it? Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Look at it, sweetie. I guess it needs a name. I don't know what to call you. You are so precious. Yeah. You want me to hold it? Okay. Do you want me to hold it again? Do I have to hold it? Would you prefer if I held it? It's stuck on. There you go. That was a big piece. Let me get this piece right here with my fingernail. Are you full? Yeah, that's pretty good. Dog food pretty good? Yeah. You hear all those birds? Maybe somebody's your mom or your daddy. Oh yeah, that was a good piece. You want some more? Let me dig out some more for you if I can. If I can. We'll dig out some more. Ah, my glasses. You want any more? I think you're full. I think you're full. Okay. Well, I'll clean you out later. Yeah, you gonna go sleep now? It's closing its eyes. It's time for a nap. Okay, well, we'll check in with you later.